This simple strategy has a win ratio over 80%. This is a lie? No. Watch until the end of this video so that I teach you this cool strategy. Before watch, please like the video and sub my channel. Easy trade is an easy way to learn trading in a short time frame. So, what indicator is the strategy based on? Number one is every extreme point buy and sell. Go to indicator and search every extreme point buy and sell. Click on it. The second one is EMA. We choose EMA 2. Then go to setting and change input to 100. Okay. In order to be able to see indicator well on the chart, we change the color to black and make line strong. It's good. Now we see both indicators on the chart. Now you see green and red triangles on the chart. The green triangles give us a buy signal like this and like this, and the short triangles give us a short signal like this and like this. We can take a short position on these areas. In this strategy, we take buy position when two conditions are present. First, the extreme point buy and sell indicator gives a buy alarm like this. Look. Second, the price is below the EMA. With these conditions, we can take buy position up to the EMA line or red triangle. For myself, I keep position DL to the EMA line and close the trade when price reach the EMA. For short position, we act exactly like the buy position. First, the extreme point buy and sell indicator should give us a short position, red triangle, like this. Second, the price must be above the EMA line. When we saw these two indicator signals, we can take a short position. Strategy may sometimes give a wrong signal. Signals that giving in a range market are more reliable. Counter trend signals like these three signals that gives in a strong bullish or a strong bearish market may be wrong. Like this, look, we are in a strong bullish market and the indicator give us a sell signal like this, and they are wrong. So before opening a position, pay attention to the trend of the market. Now let's go together to see some of the signals that this strategy shows on the different charts.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the new song. And you cannot save me, 'cause cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as
I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guessed. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got heart, I'm ready to change. Scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back.